In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust spacing on Wix. We'll walk through this inside the Wix editor, so go ahead and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand panel on your dashboard. If you're not already in the setup area, click on setup to open it. Now, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click on edit site. This will open your website in the Wix editor, where you can start adjusting the spacing of different elements on your page. Inside the editor, the simplest way to control spacing is by using the drag and drop method. Click on any element you want to adjust, such as a text box, image, or button. Once it's selected, click and hold, then drag it to a new position on the page. As you move it, you'll notice Wix shows grid lines and guidelines. These help you line things up neatly and keep consistent spacing between elements. Take your time here and use those guides to align items and create even spacing, both horizontally and vertically. This is especially useful when you're trying to match the spacing between sections, or keep a clean look on desktop and mobile. Next, let's look at spacing for entire sections or strips. These are the large horizontal blocks that make up your page. To change the vertical spacing within a section, click directly on the section or strip background. You'll see a handle or grab area at the bottom of that section. Click and drag this bottom handle up to make the section shorter, or drag it down to make it taller. As you do this, you're effectively controlling how much vertical space there is around the content in that section. This is great for removing big gaps between sections, or adding a bit more breathing room so your content doesn't feel cramped. Finally, let's fine-tune text spacing by adjusting line spacing. Click on any text element you want to edit. Then click on Edit Text to open the Text Settings panel. In that panel, look for the controls related to character and line spacing. Here, you can increase or decrease the line spacing value to spread lines out or bring them closer together. Small adjustments can make a big difference in readability and overall design. So experiment until your paragraphs look balanced and easy to read. And that's it. By using drag and drop positioning, adjusting section height, and fine-tuning line spacing, you can quickly control the spacing on your Wix site and create a clean, professional layout.